Hi, in this video, I will show you how to humanize ChatGPT text. So if you're a student, do take note that this is just an education tutorial. So make sure that you do not apply this and you can just use it as an example. So for this case, just head over to ChatGPT and then just input right here a simple command. Like for example, create a paragraph about cats. Let's send that. Then in here, they will actually show us or generate us this text. So let's try to copy this text. And when you actually put it into a generator or a human detector text, you can see right here that this text is 100% AI generated as shown right here into this breakdown. Now, how can we avoid this? So we can use an AI humanizer. Yes, I know that this is actually an ironic way, but this works. Head over to stealthwriter.ai and then from in there you should be able to see their interface. You can humanize AI generated content. For this one, let's paste our text right here. Click onto this humanize. And then let's just wait for this humanize. Make sure to also sign up for an account if you haven't yet. From in here, you can choose the kind of model that you want to use. So if you're using this kinds of detector, you can use Ninja 3.2 or Ghost 3.2. If you're using Turnitin and CopyLeaks, use 2.0 or 2.0. For this one, I'll just use the Ninja 3.2 and click onto this humanize. And just a few seconds later, it should be able to give us some kinds of sentences that is already humanized. As you can see, it's already 0% AI. And you can also click on each sentence in order to change them into your liking. So do take note that when you change those sentences, they may display in here some kind of AI generated concepts. Now, once you're done, just click on copy and let's see if it's actually been fixed right here. Click on scan right there. And then from in there, it should be able to give us a 0% AI detected text. So that's how you humanize ChatGPT text. Hope we help.